I have to thank the guys who won the World Cup for the ice cream that I got as a 10-year-old. Want to know my memories from the 1983 World Cup? Sure. I remember as a 10-year-old being in Indore with my cousins. There was a family function in Indore and we had gone to Indore as a family. And sitting around and watching that final with my cousins, and being a little disappointed when India got out for 183 in the first innings, but just getting very, very excited every time a West Indian wicket fell and we felt we had a chance. And just watching the energy, it's one of the memories I still remember so many years later, is how the mood kept changing with every West Indian wicket that fell. India won. It was late in the night, but we went out and had ice cream in Indore. And as a 10-year-old, I think being able to get ice cream was a really big thing. So I have to thank the guys who won the World Cup for the ice cream that I got as a 10-year-old. It was just, the whole campaign was truly iconic. Just watching, you didn't get to watch a lot of cricket in those days, and just to be able to watch and follow their campaign and how they kept winning each and every game. They won the semi-final, they won the matches, they qualified, they won the semi-final, then they went on to the final, and just that whole, just watching them do so well in that tournament was a huge inspiration to a 10-year-old kid. So I think an event like that truly, is a watershed moment in sport, for a sport of cricket in India, certainly. It actually made us truly believe that we could, compete at that level. And I think it was a hugely inspirational event for so many people. I think so many people will have great memories around that event. Cricket was always popular in India. It had been played for a long time. We'd had success before that as well. But I think what 1983 did, because it was probably around the first time that cricket was probably seen on television, television sets, around the 1982 World Cup started becoming more popular in India, that it was a win that was seen by many millions of people. And I think that proved to be a huge game changer, because it just became such an inspirational moment for young boys and girls to be able to take up the sport in India. It became something that meant that so many people started following the sport of cricket in India. And I think when we look now and look at the kind of success that Indian cricket has had both on and off the field, a large part of that goes to that success in 1983 for literally, I think, changing the way Indian cricket is perceived, and the kind of following that Indian cricket was able to garner after that, both in India and abroad. So I think just the fact that it happened during just when television was coming in and people were able to see the sport was, I think, a huge moment. But India winning that, being the underdogs, coming back from behind to win a tournament like that, really made a lot of Indians dream and believe that we could do great things on the world stage. So that really was, I think, a big turning point for Indian cricket, I would say. I think there are great lessons that you can take back from that win even today. I mean, just the fight of an underdog. India was the underdogs in that particular final, but also in that tournament. But just that even if you are the underdog, if you keep believing, if you keep staying in the contest, if you keep fighting, good things can happen. And never giving up. I think never giving up. You really, scoring only 183, but never giving up, still fighting. I think things like that are lessons that remain true even today, and probably remain true for a very, very long time. In cricket and in life, it always helps to have someone around who's dependable and instills confidence in you, just like Incred does. I welcome all of you to share your memories of India's win in the 1983 World Cup. What a really special day for Indian sport and Indian cricket. So I'm sure you have some great memories. So please do share your memories with me.